Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, middle of the week, Wednesday, August 6th. Let's start with Bitcoin and we'll go from there. Overall range, boring, but well, it is what it is. Morning, Darren. Morning, Andre. Morning, Andre. Hey, Christian. Hey, Andrea. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Node. Hey, Alex. Hey, Tanka. Hey, Ivan. Regulars as usual. Nice to see that. So, couple of days of 115. That's the middle of the smaller range here. Below the big range, we are filling the gap. As I already posted a couple of days ago, if you put the volume profile, you'll see the gap here. We are just filling that gap now. And 110 for the moment is a strong support. I don't think we need anything else for the moment. Making, I don't know, a play here, up and down, up and down. For some people it's enough to, I don't know, play some setups. For other people it's not enough and they will wait patiently on the sidelines. Depends on your plan, depends. I don't know, if you are a swing trader, not too many things you can do. If you are a day trader, I think you still a bit of room to make some money. Indicators, nothing special. We are just going sideways here. We like it or we don't like it. That is not up to us. We are retesting probably at some point in time 110. Hopefully we'll do a W there, and from that moment we can reassess if we'll see W's, if we'll see that the support is holding. Ethereum, nothing changed from yesterday. We are still fighting below to 4,100. But you can see Ethereum is strong, is holding that level. If Bitcoin will hold above 110 and will range there, probably Ethereum will get even stronger and will try to push 4,100. That makes me think that Ethereum versus Bitcoin will soon accept above the high here, 0.033. I get the idea, yeah, it's short reload zone. I told you about the short reload zone. It's not a good area to chase. We have to respect that. But in the same time, people, we can see that the market is strong. At least for the moment. We can see that the market is holding this level and wants to push higher. It's up to us? No. You can see the channel, above the channel. If we'll accept here, yeah, we can push a lot higher. It's about the fucking time to see that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Morning, Andre. Yeah, don't chase, don't FOMO in. Well, Paul said to buy here. No. It's a short reload zone on lower time frame. Yeah, we can outperform, but you should be long already. You should have a lot of Ethereum from below $2,000. Anyway, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Well, you remember here when everyone was saying we'll go a lot higher, we need that. And I said, well, give me M and I'll be more than happy. I'm saying the same, give me an M and I'll be more than happy to call it an AB equals CD. Hey, no more. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to call it an AB equals CD. For the moment, above 60%, we have a W on daily. Nothing else. A W, we don't have the M. But if we'll form an M here and we'll break down, well, that's the target. Let's zoom out a little bit. Low, high, long reload zone, 78.6. Look left, some confluence here. I don't see why not to see that scenario. In the same time, it's just a scenario, people. I'm not calling it. I'm not predicting. You know I'm not a predicting guy. I'll patiently wait for my setup. I'll watch what market is doing. I'll play my setups. I'll make some money on the way, calling it a day, showing up the next one, the next day. Prediction is not my strong area. Playing setups and respecting the plan is. Okay, so we can see a scenario like this, AB equals CD? Of course we can. Will happen until tomorrow? Probably not. Okay. Hey, Aidan. So, Bitcoin dominance we talked about. Let's take a look at ES. Well, I saw these two candles yesterday. That's not bearish, people. That's strong. Yeah, we should think about going sideways, indeed, but this is not bearish. In the same time, don't chase. To be honest, we are getting in the middle of August pretty soon. Then next is September. Yeah, we can have a move higher, but I really want to long to buy here before September? No. I want to be extra careful. Yeah, if I'm a day trader, a scalper, I could go long and short all day long. But as daily chart goes, no. It's too late. Should be too late for us to touch this area. I'm not a financial advisor, so do as you please. It's your money, your decisions. Gold, similar, nice pump here. Otto managed to call this this setup here at the lows. People made some money. That's nice. Good job, Otto. I like it. But I still consider it a range. Take some profit off here. Yeah, we can attack the highs again. Yes. We can even push higher. Yes. But overall, I still think it's a range here on daily. Silver. Higher highs, higher lows. Looks primed to go higher, to outperform gold and push a lot higher. How high? I don't know. I'm trading silver? No. I'm trading only crypto. I have a bag of silver, physical. That's it. It's enough. Morning, Stefan. Pension funds? Yeah, I posted that news about pension funds. Well, let's talk about that one, Stefan, a little bit. So, indeed, there are pension funds, and indeed, they will be the bag holders for the next bear market. But the problem is, it's just the beginning. So we still have some upside. Yeah? BlackRock will not hold the bags in the next bear market, people. They'll transfer the bags to the pension funds. If you think that they'll hold the bags, the bear market, no. They'll sell the top to the pension funds, and when the price will be right, we'll buy from pension funds a lot lower. That's how you transfer the money from the pension funds and from the public to the wealthy guys. One of the methods. Okay? Nothing fancy. Simple. It's not specific on crypto. They do it everywhere. They take the money from the pension funds, they transfer to them, and they repeat the fucking process. It's fair? No. Not even a bit. But that's the reality, people. Okay? So, seeing pension funds coming in, they have their methods to convince pension funds to buy the top or close to the top. When you see news about big pension funds buying every day millions of Bitcoin, you know that we are there. We'll have probably an extra move up, and that's it for Bitcoin. I know, this time is different. No, it's not. Okay? Not different. Slightly, maybe not identical. Never identical, but it rhymes. It's the same shit. So yeah, we saw last couple of months 2 or 3 news like this. Every time I see one, I remind everyone that we are in the end of the move, in the end part of the 4-year cycle. Yeah? Bitcoin will pump, then shitcoins, some of them will pump, and they'll pump hard, and that's it. We are in that nice environment where if you know what to do and you have a plan and you bought the bottom or close to the bottom and you have enough strength to hold, you can change your financial situation. Okay, let's go back. Silver will outperform probably. I have a bag. I don't know if I'll sell it, even if we'll do a blow off top. No, I have. The silver bag is there for a different purpose. Okay, total market cap fighting the old all-time high, similar. We need a lot of developing here, a lot of strength to go above this EM. This is a clear EM with the neckline made exactly at the old all-time high. We need a lot of buying pressure to go above and make a new high, to close above 4 trillion. It's possible, of course. It's crypto after all. Total 3 fighting $1 trillion. Slow and steady. Even if we'll go sideways for some time, we'll accept above this level and we'll push higher. When? I don't know. I'm positioning myself. I have a lot of altcoin bags, and I'm still slowly dollar cost averaging. I think that's the best approach, at least for me. You can do whatever you want. You can, I don't know, try to pinpoint the bottom, or you can even buy the top if you want. It's your money. I don't recommend to do that, but it's up to you. Not my money, not my responsibility. Okay, so that's the overview. Shitcoins, nothing special about them. They are just forming the bottom, people. On daily. You can see some of them are pumping like Yena. I think Yena has an unlock soon enough. So be careful, extra careful, don't chase here. DYDX and everything is forming the weekly bottom. We should look only on weekly chart if we are not traders. And see this image. Well, it's in the right location to dollar cost average at the bottom. It's trying to form a bottom, to form the weekly W. Just look at here, how nice it is. Just look at it. Yesterday, tried to push higher, took this high, preparing for something, maybe. I bought a lot of peer. I talked about peer below $1. Now, nothing I can do. I have the bag and I'll hold. Wants to go to zero, so be it. I'll lose some money. Will go to the moon, so be it. I'll make a lot of money. Simple. Ran, and I could go on the entire list. I could go on the spot list on Binance or any other exchange. 90% of them, they are looking similar. They are looking like this, forming the bottom. Maybe above, they created a weekly double and they are retesting. I'll say the same message until I'll see that the market is pumping. Yeah, good location, good environment to make some money. The rest is up to you, people. Could pump a little bit and then dump and take the lows and repeat the process? Yes. Okay, let's go on lower time frame. Let's see what we have. And you can see, let's start with Bitcoin actually. That's last week Monday range. This is this week Monday range. Last week we accepted below and we stayed below. This week we created an EM and we accepted below, and we are retesting. We are trying to retest the Monday low. Seems like we'll reject again. I told you that I want to buy Bitcoin, to long Bitcoin actually here in the SFU area. Who took the shark setup? Well, at least they are risk free now. So if I'm wrong and the market will pump, they'll make some money. I took the shark setup. No. I was waiting for this one. I don't like this. Maybe I'm wrong. It's possible to be wrong and market to pump from here, and I'll find the next boss. So anyway, that's not a problem. So who took the shark? Well, make it risk free. You don't want to see it back down here. If you see it back down here, we'll probably take this low. But look at the patterns. M, big M, and a W now. It's trying to form the W. Market is fighting at the Monday low, a neckline of this ugly W. Not the best location for that W, but it's there. Wasn't a good location for this M either, but the M was there and the result was clear. We'll see. Ethereum, we are in the Monday range. Pump chaser zone offered us a nice support. We have some W's here. You can see the price action. If Bitcoin will hold here, will not dump to 110, I think Ethereum will outperform and will even test the Monday high and even accept above it. If you'll see 1 hour, 4 hour chart accepting above the Monday high, I think we can go back in the last week Monday high, touching the highs of the range, even touching 4,000. So yeah, Ethereum is a lot stronger. Hopefully you see it, people. I said multiple times, here, don't short Ethereum. Stay out, buy the dip if you can't, or if not, just don't short Ethereum because it's stronger than Bitcoin. Unfortunately, some people decided that they don't want to listen. It's up to them. One advice, if I could give an advice, if you do I tell you not to short, and you short, and you get in trouble, don't DM me after that. I told you my opinion, I told you my 2 cents. Why you are DMing me after you did the stupid thing? When you saw that I said don't do it. Either you listen before you enter the trade, or it's your responsibility. Don't ask me because I'll not give you an advice. Most probably, I'll read the message and I'll ignore it. Seems fair to me if I tell you not to short because the market is strong and you still do it and then you get in shit. Why you are DMing me for a solution? You should plan the trade before you enter to have the scenario in case of will go against you. Okay? So DM me with a clear reason not to repair your mistakes. That way you'll learn to take responsibility for your decisions. Okay. So overall, I think we can take this high, we can take this one. We just need Bitcoin to stay at 114, 115 to stay there, not to dump. If Bitcoin will not dump, Ethereum is primed for higher. If Bitcoin will dump, Ethereum will come back down here in the pump chaser zone, maybe even test the Monday low. We didn't test the Monday low yet. In a worst case scenario, or on a bearish scenario on lower time frame, yeah, we can come back down here and take this low. Yeah, weekend low. Probability of taking this one is still high. But will be a really nice one for SFU long, if you know what I mean. If we'll dump here, this will be a really nice SFU. I'll take this trade if I'll see the market breaking down and then accepting back above on, I don't know, 5-minute chart, let's say. Morning, people. Okay. Rest of the shit coins we need to go on 4-hour chart. I don't see why I should stay on 1 hour. Solana going sideways. No double yet. Nothing I can do here. Well, you can see this W. You can see we are trying to do something here. Not ready yet, but we are getting in that environment. Low volatility where you can attempt some longs. So pay attention on Tao. If you see something nice and you have a setup, you can play it. The volatility is low enough for us to get a really nice window of risk. TIA in the long reload zone, but no clear double, no clear setup. Yes, you can see I draw the Monday range, and you can see how well respected it is on traditional market. Look at it. 1 month ago, couple of weeks ago, you can see. Really well respected. Pipe, I want lower in the long reload zone. I'll say it really fast because nothing is. NI is strong, but someone said yesterday about summon lock or something. So be careful. It's going sideways. It's not going anywhere for the moment. Okay. SSV, I'm waiting for a clear W here. We have a nice location. We just need a W. W and 78.6 will be even better if it's possible. I don't see any clear signal from indicators on 4-hour chart, so that tells me I should wait a little bit more. Stefan, why are you typing from Crypto Traders Arena account? You scare me when you do that. Why you are on that account? I don't get it. It's up to you, but you scare me. And if something will happen with the live stream, I'll blame you. So don't, when I'm live streaming, don't go there. Okay. Hype. Stop me out from that trade. Was a FAFO with risk management. Some people laughed at me. Well, they had a reason. Well, Paul J is FAFO with is doing FAFO setups with. Yeah, I took the trade here. I had a lot of reasons here. If you look at and you zoom in, you'll see why I took it. But you can see we took the low and we need to wait for a clear setup. I'll wait patiently for a setup from my plan. Portal, okay, we have the same thing. No W yet. We should wait. Premium people and even VIP people. I'm not posting swing trades on premium because I don't see setups yet. I'm hunting setups. You can see here and even more. I have another list. I'll hunt gladly swing trades when I'll see them. I'll post if I'll see. If I'll take a new swing trade, I'll tell you about it. Don't think I'm taking swing trades without posting on premium or sharing with you. I didn't make this community to take the trades and not share them with you. Okay? But for the moment, we have location. On some of them, we have some indicator confirmation, and we need the fucking W. We need to wait. Alt, similar. You can call this a W. Ugly, but yeah, you can call it. But similar. I think you should wait a little bit more for better setup. Tone breaking down like a champ. Almost $4 and now it's coming back down at $3. Overall, people, if I zoom out, it's just a range here. Nothing special. The lower you can buy, the easier you can make a shot and get risk free. You will not make 100x buying ton here. You can get risk free and, I don't know, hold the bag because it's a big shit coin. Could last longer. Could be a really nice level to buy it. Okay. So that's my overview. It's Wednesday. Usually Wednesday are ugly to trade, but who knows? We are here. We'll trade if it's possible. Getting back at Bitcoin. Yams, a W. That means stay the fuck out. I could show you another view about the chart. Usually I don't share this one, but let's do it for the moment. Let's put the 4-hour chart. Because I'm a range trader, I love to see ranges everywhere. Well, you can see. This is the... There you go. What happened here? That's a bit better. Yeah, this is the range. We broke and we accepted back below, and I just cloned this one and I posted below. And you can see middle of the range, well respected. Top of the range, bottom of the last one, the top of the next one is it's well respected. So we kind of a step down, one step lower, and we have the same range. I use this kind of ranges to see levels is hard to see with fibs or other tools. Yeah, so we just step down, one step down, and if you look left, you'll see the bottom of this range. It's at 110, and we have some support, some confluences here. Okay. Well respected middle of the range, well respected top of the range or bottom of the last one. So I don't see why not. But that means boring. That means will take time. You'll have to wait for the level. You'll have to wait for the setup. Exactly, random levels. Well, you know the random levels, Stefan. You work with me long enough to know that nothing is random in this market. Late entries? No. If you say late entry, you'll get banned on Crypto Traders Arena. Don't fuck around. Okay, Ethereum, like I said, a bit stronger here. It's still in the Monday range, and I think we'll attack. We didn't took the high. I think we are going for it. If Bitcoin will behave, I think Ethereum wants to take this level. Wants to test. If we'll accept above, I don't know. We have some confluence with the last week Monday low, which is Monday high for this week. So that means it's an important level. It's also a short reload zone, which means more confluence. If you look left, it's a support and resistance level, kind of. More confluence for this level. So I could see the market pushing here. Yes. If I'll see an EM there, well, if you are a fan of shorting, okay. Also, I could see an AB equals CD here for me. It's damn clear for me. Look at it. AB, W, CD. Why not? So, being bearish here on Ethereum, I don't think is the best solution. Clone. Take this one. Put it here. Rename it CD, and there you go. Well, some confluence is here for that target. I think so. Up to you, people. Up to you. I told you not to short, but I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want. I'm not saying the short setups will not work. It's just dangerous to do that. When you see something is strong, you just leave it alone. You don't short it. Why you short something strong? Okay, people, I blabbed away for half an hour. I didn't said anything of value because the market is going sideways. Hopefully you see what I'm thinking here and what I'm waiting for. I'll go on VIP and I'll just trade with Stefan. Premium people, you had access on VIP until today. Well, from now on, you know, the access is for VIP is done. So only VIP people will have access in the London session. The VIP registration is closed. Yeah, we can use Holy Grail for some alts, Stefan, but let's wait a little bit more. Let's wait for a bit more strength. Let's see some higher highs and higher lows on lower time frame. I think it's a bit early. Yeah, The registration for VIP is closed. Some people got in, some people are left out. I don't know. Next month, you can try again. Premium, we have 4 places. We still accept people in Capua 1. I think Stefan is accepting 1 or 2 people more in Capua 2. You have to discuss with him about Capua 2. But we have 3 more places for Capua 1 until September when we'll start. It's totally up to you. I want consistency if you join. I don't need your money. I'll take your money because I'll not do it for free. But I'm not doing the Capua 1 or Capua 2 for the money. Okay? I want consistency. I want to be serious. If you are not consistent and you don't you're not decided to, I don't know, to follow that program, don't join, please. I prefer to go with 17 people, but quality people, than to have 20 and no quality. Okay? I want more gladiators. That's why I'm still making the Capua 1s. I want more people to learn to trade from me. My way. I'm not saying it's the best way. I'm not saying that, well, I'm the only one that I could show you how to trade, how to swing trade, how to make a plan, a master plan, how to use a proper risk management. No. That's my way. Let's not blab away too much. Let's close the live stream here. See you people in the VIP session, New York session, or tomorrow with the same YouTube live stream. Bye bye.